Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and sometimes tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you an unboxing of sneakers that I didn't pay cash for, technically, because these are sneakers that I actually traded for. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away 4 champion caps, sponsored by Shoe Freak PH. I'll put the link down below to his Instagram account, as well as an off-white Rasta Clat bracelet. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on IG, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. I love trading for sneakers because apart from being able to exchange and negotiate hard for sneakers that you want with what you already have, it saves you money. You don't have to shell out cash to be able to buy new pairs and wear new pairs, and you get to meet a lot of great people along the way. Now, what I'll do for this vlog is I'll start things off by unboxing 2 sneakers that I recently traded for, and then we'll get into a discussion on tips on how you guys can trade better when it comes to getting new or used or pre-loved sneakers. Let's go. First up is a pair from hehe on IG. I've been chatting with the guy for the longest time. I actually did a previous trade with him in the past, and I just wanted to do another trade with him because it was such a great, easy, and pleasant experience. So this is the Adidas EQT Support Overkill. So I think it's like the Overkill collaboration with like Adidas. So it comes in this really cream colored box. You have the 3 stripes there in both, and then EQT Support Future here with the tag, size 12, which is actually my size. He got it locally, sold for 9,500 pesos when it came out here in the Philippines. So let's just check it out. Woo! Man, I've actually been wanting to get this pair ever since I first saw it on StockX, but I never got around to buying it. So I'm just really happy to be able to have it here in my collection. So here you have it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the EQT Support Future Overkill. So you have that thick boost midsole here, you have those bold 3 red stripes, and then you have that black and gray upper here, knit upper, and man, it just looks really nice. And if you turn it to the side, you'll see the text. It says there, Overkill EQT Support Future, and then you have, of course, that rubber outsole. Now granted, it's not the cleanest shoe that I've traded for, because if you guys take a look at the boost, it is a bit dirty. Yeah, it has some markings on it. It is used, it is pre-loved. But the great thing about sneakers like this one is that all you have to do is clean them, deodorize them, and sanitize them, and they should be good for wearing again. So that's what I'll be doing with this pair. I will be taking this to my regular cleaner. I have actually a bunch of cleaning services that I go to, so I am excited to be able to get this in pristine condition. And even the yellowing of the sole, that's easy to fix. All you have to do is paint over it with white. So I will be doing a video on how this gets cleaned probably in the next few days. It also comes with extra laces in black together. Oh, it also has like equipment written on it here at the, I don't know what you call that, like a lace guard or a lace accessory or whatever. But yeah, this is the first pair that I got for a trade. I met with him over at BGC. Really happy with this one. Now, I was so blessed because apart from trading for sneakers, I mentioned earlier that one of the great things in trading is that you get to meet like fine people, new people. Now I've been talking with I just call him hehe because that's his IG handle for a while now, and he blessed me with this Groot Funko Pop. He asked me who my favorite character was on Marvel. As you guys know, to those who don't know, I love Groot. I have a Groot collection here at home. If you check out my previous videos where I used to do the videos on the other side of this room, I had like a Groot collection at the background. So he gave me this Contest of Champions King Groot Funko Pop. I mean, that's just so cool. He even put it in like that Funko Pop protector. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. So thank you, hehe, for this really fine gift. I appreciate you and I appreciate the gesture. Much love back at you, man. So that was the first trade. Now I want to share with you guys the second trade that I had. Now this is with another YouTuber. His name is Nice and Easy. He's actually a big guy, not like big like me, but very tall and, batak guy. So we met at my condo, but we've been chatting a lot now on both IG and YouTube for quite a bit. And he actually tried to sell this to me a few months ago, but I didn't really want to buy it. But the opportunity came that we could do a trade. He wanted something, I wanted something from him. So we ended up pushing through with the deal. This is another Jordan 1, and I haven't had, it's been a while since I added a nice Jordan 1 to my collection because they passed on the pine green and on the violet one, which came out here in the Philippines when Titan released them a few weeks ago. I can't remember, but yeah, passed on those. So this is the newest Jordan 1 that's added to my collection. So as you guys can see, this is your typical Jordan 1 box. It says here size 12 Air Jordan 1 Retro. There you have it. This is actually still dead stock. So I was able to trade for a dead stock pair, but I gave him two very nice condition sneakers that was a bit painful, but yeah, it was still okay. Let's, it's done. What's done is done. So let's get over with it. So this is the Jordan 1 sneaker that I traded for. Oh, okay. Now all the what do you call that? All the regret just disappeared because when I looked at it, I forgot what it's called. I think it's like homage to home. So you have like a combination of the Chicagos and the bread toast split in the middle. I have no idea how I will wear this, especially since I'm more of a corporate guy. But man, the leather quality on this is insane. It's really good. So you have that, in Filipino we call it like doble cara thing going on. We're in that like dual personality shiz. So yeah. So yeah, here you have it. This is the sneaker. Dead stock, still fresh as new. Smells fine, smells brand new, smells excellent. Leather quality on point. Traded for this as well. Pleasant experience, had a chat with, nice and easy. You know what's funny? When I trade with people or when I meet with them, I usually just remember their names either from their YouTube handles or their IG handles. So I don't even know the name of Nice and Easy, his real name. I don't even know the real name of Hey Sans. All I know is that I met them on YouTube or IG, and we traded for both sneakers. Now, I'm really happy with both pairs. This one is dead stock. The other one is pre-loved. Very salvageable and very cleanable. And the bonus was I even got like that King Groot Funko Pop, which I can add to the Groot collection over at the back of my shoe cabinet. So those were the two sneakers that I ended up getting via trades. Now let's get to tips on how you guys can trade better when it comes to your sneakers. Tip number 1, and this is essential, trade with people that you trust. Mainly because you don't really know if the pairs that you will get are fake or the pairs that you will get are badly beaten up already and it wasn't worth the effort on meeting up with them in the first place. So the question next is, how do you find people that you trust? My suggestion is that you join communities on Facebook. There are a lot of Facebook communities, Facebook sneaker communities that you guys can be part of. There are 3 or 4 communities that I'm very active in. You can find me there actually. Adidas Stock Philippines was my first ever Facebook group for sneakers. The guys there are excellent. They're so nice. They're so cool. You get a lot of interaction and engagement with everybody there. So I love that community. I love that group. I'm a huge fan of Adidas Stock Philippines. So that one's the first. The second group that I'm usually part of is Team Reebok PH. That one, for anything and everything Reebok, you can be part of it. You can join, you can trade, you can buy, you can sell. Excellent group once again. Third group that I'm part of is the Unspoken Kicks. I think those are the sneakers that are, the not so well-known brands that you would want to trade for or talk about or share about. And lastly, I can't remember if it's Pinoy Sneakerhead Community or Pinoy Sneakers Community, but yeah, that's the fourth group that I'm part of. So I regularly post, I regularly talk with people, regularly chat with people on those groups. So what you can do is you can be part of that group, check out everybody there who's posting stuff that they're trying to trade for and sell for, and then just hit them up and maybe offer them something and then take it to the DMs or to the PMs, to the private messages, so you guys can see if you can pull off a deal. Now, apart from being part of communities, you should also try to do background checks. You can do that by either, just checking out the Facebook page of the person that you're trading with, or take a look at his previous history in the group that you're at. So those are the basic things that you should do when it comes to trading for people that you should trust. Number 2, make sure that you try to at least legit check the shoes, especially when it's in front of you. Now, how do you do that? Number 1, you have to research. And how you do that is just go to YouTube or Google and just type fake blank and then real blank, right? So you can see what are the markers for what would be a fake Presto Off-White, what would be the markers for a fake Jordan And another way to do it better is if you can find somebody who actually has a real pair, bring it with you. So you can do like a side-by-side comparison and see if what you have or what you're being traded for is legit or not. Apart from that, you can bring a really high-definition picture of a real pair. And again, you can check it also to see if there are any like markers that might indicate that it's fake. But yeah, you can try and do legit check yourself. Probably not the best way to do it. I mean, you won't be as good as a lot of people who do it professionally, but it's better than just trusting 100%. Number 3, and I cannot stress this enough, guys, you have to meet at either a neutral place or a safe place because you don't really know if the people that you're meeting, especially if you're trading for the first time. Your safety comes first, your protection as a person comes first. So I would highly recommend that you meet them in public places, meet them in malls, meet them, I don't know, in like parks, never in shady areas or shady warehouses or random streets that you guys don't know. So always make sure that you meet in a place that you're either at advantage at or at a place that is safe for you so that you are just protected. You have to make sure that you're protected. Number 4, let's say you don't have anybody to trade with, which is a bit sad. What you can do is you can just go to a store who accepts either buyouts or trades and try your luck there. I did a review recently of Cop Garden, the one over at Makati. They do buyouts, so you show them your shoe. If it's in good condition, used or brand new, they will try to make an offer. Usually what happens is they make 2 kinds of offers, one in cash and one in store credit. The store credit offer, of course, is something that you can use to actually buy other sneakers that are on display in their store. So it's essentially a trade. So that's like the 4th tip that you can do if you can't find anybody to trade with the sneakers that you have in your collection. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Remember guys, when it comes to the sneaker game, it's so much more fun with other people. It's so much more fun if you don't do it alone. So trading is part of it. Meeting sneaker meetups is part of it. So as much as possible, try to get out of your comfort zone and try a trade or two with the pairs that you have. And lastly, hey, it will practice your negotiation skills, which is always a great skill to have in life, especially if you are into sales, marketing, or communications. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We're giving away champion caps, courtesy of our sponsor, Shoe Freak PH. We're giving away an off-white Rastaclat bracelet. So subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, hit the link down below so you guys can be part of this giveaway because it already goes down this coming Sunday. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. Peace. God bless. What's up?